Aaron and I have been showing you what a two-person team can do on stage, but let's bring this back to the enterprise reality. It's one thing to orchestrate a fleet of agents in a demo environment. It's an entirely different beast when you have to navigate the strict compliance, the security guardrails, and the decades of technical debt a highly regulated financial institution has to face. So to share a real-world story of evolving engineering cultures and team structures, please welcome the lead of enterprise architect at KeyBank, Azim Sheikh. Azim, good to see you, man. Nailed the hug, nice work. All right, Azim, welcome to Las Vegas, welcome to Next. It's so stoked to have you here.
Thanks, Ricky. It's great to be here.
And so before we dive into the tech side of things, for folks out there who might not be familiar with KeyBank, can you give us a quick overview and talk about the environment your team's operating in?
Absolutely. KeyBank is one of the largest regional banks in the US. We've got over 200 years of banking history operating across 15 states. In software terms, that means we manage millions of lines of legacy code in a highly regulated environment. Security, compliance, and strict enterprise constraints are at the core of everything we do.
Yeah, and navigating that usually means huge teams, moving really slow, but I know you've been working on these acceleration initiatives to change that. What does that look like for you?
Well, Ricky, it's a total shift. Last year, we moved away from massive groups and formed small, highly focused teams of just 4 to 5 people. We tasked them with narrowly scoped problems and a very tight execution window. For example, I was on a team focused specifically on a data loss prevention use case. The goal wasn't just prototyping. We wanted to actively reduce analyst toil by working directly with real data, real integrations, and real enterprise constraints.
Yeah, I love it. It's small teams, it's real constraints, but how do you compress the planning cycles down for something as sensitive as DLP without getting bogged down in endless design docs and meetings?
Well, a major differentiator for us was giving our teams AI developer tools. In our case, Gemini CLI and Gemini Code Assist. They were most instrumental in helping us collapse the planning phase of our acceleration sprints. Instead of spending weeks passing design documents back and forth, our teams used Gemini to quickly reason through architectures and validate the feasibility. We could surface our API constraints, data loss rules, data access rules, and workflow boundaries immediately, showing a credible path to production on day one.
And I love it. We talked earlier on about how a lot of the focus on AI developer tools is around vibe coding, but it sounds like coding faster wasn't simply what you were doing.
Exactly. The real game changer that we discovered was that we were able to eliminate uncertainty earlier in our process. Gemini helped our small teams quickly determine what was automatable, what explicitly required human judgment, and exactly where our governance boundaries existed. Because we had that clarity upfront, our team of 5 could move end-to-end autonomously. We didn't have to sit around in long cross-team ticketing queues waiting for other departments to validate our integration points. We owned the problem completely.
Yeah. Well, I mean, no more ticket queues. You had me at that, Azim. I'm like, let's go. What was the ultimate outcome for the business?
The ultimate outcome was stakeholders' confidence, right? Because we compressed the planning, validation, and execution in such a tight loop. We weren't just delivering conceptual demos. We were delivering production-ready outcomes. In short, acceleration outcomes worked because they combined 3 things: small autonomous teams with clear ownership, strong pre-existing enterprise guardrails, and agentic tools. It proved that we can truly deliver more with less.
Delivering production-ready outcomes with small teams thanks to AI, that is the true magic of this new era. Azim, thank you so much for sharing your story with us.
Thanks, Ricky.
Give it up for Azim. Azim's story brings to life what we talked about earlier, right? KeyBank collapsed the silos and equipped groups of 5 people to own and deliver solutions for critical business problems. No ticket queues, no waiting on other departments. Thanks to the right tools and the right context, they're not just delivering prototypes, they're creating production-ready solutions. Now, switching